Hello guys and welcome to the ZART Wiki Fandom Tutorial episode 2. So in this tutorial I will show you how to create a new page and how to edit your page. So let's get started. First of all, you should go to zartfandom.com, you know how to enter the site, and then click this button, add new page. Click this and write your article title. So, for example, Lande Seaways. Then click Next. Then your page is created. So start to write your text, whatever you want. For example, Lande Seaways is a seaway company. Yeah, it's very simple. So then describe what you changed, created the page, then save the article. That's all. You created your page. So after that, you want to, for example, edit or add some new things to your article. Then just click edit. Then write whatever you want. So let's look at the visual editor. There are some tools that we can use. So for example, you can write a subheading one, like very big, or just heading, or use whatever you want. I'll use paragraph. Then the B, which means bold. Click this, then your text will be bold. This shortcut, I think it's Control B. I don't know. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, Control B is the shortcut of the bold. So for example, you can make your text italic or underline, or for example, you can computer code, like you can use or strike through or big or small. Just do whatever you want. So let's look the source editing. So what is it? You can write the codes. There are some codes, you know. For example, if you want to add a template, such as company Infobox, I will explain this, but you can use source editor for write your sources. Actually, I suggest you to use visual editor because source editor is a little bit complicated. And now let's look at how can we add infobox. So, for example, you want to add an infobox. Here, just click Insert, Infobox. Then, actually, these ones are album, book, cast, character. I didn't add this. This is the basics, but they are not working actually. Such as look, doesn't yet exist. I will I will fix it, but when I don't know. So just click Insert, Infobox, then choose. For example, this is a company, so we should choose Company Infobox. Then click Add More Information. Show 6 more fields. First of all, if you want to add an image, click Image 1. Then write your image name like that. I don't know what they are called, but file, then image name, that PNG or JPEG, or then again put these ones. I don't know really what they are called. And that's all to add image. Next one, for example, for company Infobox, the CEO. add this and write the CEO, Emre. Then add the other ones, but please do not add title 1 or caption 1 for company infobox. I will explain the infoboxes, but when, I don't know. So if you have a question, just send me DM from Discord. Then let's complete these infobox. So yeah, so for example, there is no previous CEOs in Zalando CVs, so just delete it or don't add it. You don't have to add all of these things. So for example, you don't know founding date. I really don't know when did I found it. Also, if you don't know what is type, I mean, well, what should we write in type, so just send me a DM. Don't be afraid to ask me question actually. Then if you have completed your infobox, just click apply. Then you can see your infobox here. After that, you can continue to write your text. For example, company created, founded by them. Then just describe what you changed. Add infobox. Then click save. From now, you know how to add an infobox to your article. So let's add an image to our article. So if you upload an image, just click here and drop files here, or select a file from your computer. Then choose an image. Let me find. Yeah, here. Then upload all and insert all. So yeah, you can see your image here. But if you want to change the position, just go to source editing. Then I want to put an image left. So just write thumb left instead of thumb, sorry. Then click preview. Oh, it's so big. So if you want to change the size, just right here, put this one. I don't know what they are called actually. Again, put this one. Then write, for example, 200 pixel px. Then let's look. Yeah. For example, you can write whatever you want. For example, yeah, 50. Oh, so small. So write 100. Again, 150. That's right. Okay, that's good. So yeah, that's all. It's a little bit bad, I know, but I will edit this. So I have some notes for you. Note 1 is if you couldn't find your infobox, I mean, for example, you are searching for an infobox, but you couldn't find. So just tell me, and I will add the infobox. Also, you can add a category, for example, companies. Then just click enter. Then click save, and that's all. You have added your category. So that's all for this episode. If you have any questions, just send me DM from Discord. So goodbye and see you next time.